Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Roblox is not launching on MacBook. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first thing to do is go ahead and log out of your Roblox application. So click on more and log out. After that you want to go ahead and close Roblox. And after that you want to find Roblox. So if you have it on your desktop here on your dock, then you could go to options and show in Finder. In Finder, you want to go ahead and move it to the bin. Close it now. After that, you want to go on the search bar and write down library, just like so, just like I do. And here, open up library. Here on library, you want to find preferences folder. And here it is, preferences. Open it up. And now you want to go ahead and find Roblox files and folder. If you will not find the folder, just go ahead and find Roblox files, and you want to go ahead and delete them. So for example, I found 2 files here, and you can just go ahead and move it to the bin. Just go ahead and check if there's any Roblox folders here. Now go back. If you find Roblox folder here, you also want to delete it, and because we will reinstall Roblox itself. Now, after you've done that, you want to empty the trash bin, empty the bin. And after that, you want to go to your browser and go to roblox.com. Now, once you are on roblox.com, you want to sign up and start having fun. You want to create a new account. So this account will be just temporarily. You want to go ahead and create some type of name, then birthday, password, gender, and sign up. Now, once you have logged in, you want to go ahead and click on any game you have here, then click on play button. And after that, Roblox will open install option, download and install. You want to go ahead and do that. If you will see an option to download a Roblox beta version, then you want to do that too. I don't have this option, so I can only download this one. And you want to open up Roblox DMG. I'm just gonna double click on it. And now Roblox player installer will pop up. Again, double click on it. Open. And now it will configure Roblox and basically install it in a few seconds. Now you want to sign in with that new account you have created. Sign in. Now you want to click on any game you want, try to launch it. And after that, you want to exit the game, but do not exit the Roblox application. And all you have to do is just click more and then log out. And after that, sign into your main account, which you have. And again, try to play the game. That should fix the problem. It shouldn't be any problems or errors anymore, and the Roblox should launch the game. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.